Hello everyone, I am Bharti from Gyaniketan Girls School. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the question answers of the poem titled The Lost Dances of Cranes by Juliet Wilson from your course book Gulmohar. Let us start. Question number 1. Who is being addressed in the poem? Who is you? Are they present or even alive? How can we tell? Answer. The speaker is addressing the cranes. The word ghost in the second line indicates that they are already dead. Now we come to question number 2. There are two dances mentioned in the first stanza. Which are they? What does each of them represent? The answer is the two dances refer to the dance of the birds that could once be seen in fields and the dance of urban machines that are used in constructing cities. The birds' dance represents the beauty of nature, while the machines' dance represents the destruction of this beauty. Question number 3. What is left of the cranes which used to dance in the fields? Do the words all that remain indicate that a lot remains or that very little remains? What is the condition of what remains? Fading crackle of energy and some grainy video footage are all that is left of the cranes. The word all that it remains indicate that very little is left of the cranes, and the words fading and grainy tell us that those remains are in a very poor condition. Question number 4. Who views or listens to the poor quality audio video material? How do they react to it? Is there a big contrast between their reaction and the speakers? The answer is the people in the new cities watch the videos and marvel at the beauty of the natural world that the cranes inhabited. In contrast, the speaker mourns the loss of the cranes and the rest of the natural world. Now we are coming to other set of questions. Answer these questions in detail. Now the city dwellers watch documentaries and marvel at the wonders the world once held. On basis of this statement, this question has been framed. Question number 1. Does this mean that the city dwellers have the same attitude to the cranes as the speaker? Yes, the city dwellers also appreciate the beauty of nature, though it is they who are somewhere responsible for their extinction. Question number 2. Would the city, would the city dwellers feel deeply sad if the documentaries disappeared in the way the speaker is sad that the cranes are gone? The answer is although the city dwellers marvel at nature, their fascination remains superficial and they do not feel as connected to nature as the speaker because they have not had a first hand experience with the birds. They may miss the videos but will not be as deeply affected as the speaker. With this, we come to the end of the session. I hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you.